Entering the vortex can transform your life. Here's how. Imagine a swirling energy mass, a vortex that captures the essence of your desires and life goals. This is the concept of the vortex, as introduced by Esther Hicks, a renowned inspirational speaker. The vortex is a state of being where your energy aligns perfectly with your desires and source energy, the very essence of life and creation itself. This alignment can lead to a transformative life experience, creating a bridge between the physical and non-physical aspects of your existence. It's about reaching a state of pure, positive energy and allowing that to manifest in your life. It's like tuning in to a radio frequency where everything you've ever desired exists. The journey to the vortex isn't a sprint, but a marathon, a process of aligning your energy one step at a time. The journey to the vortex begins with a simple yet powerful step, focusing on feeling good. Joy, appreciation, love, peace, these are the keys to the vortex. Embracing such positive emotions is crucial in raising your vibration to match the frequency of the vortex. Consider, for instance, the power of a simple smile. Something as small as a grin can shift your entire mood, washing away worries and inviting in lightness and joy. Likewise, the act of expressing love or appreciation can have a profound impact on your emotional state. When you consciously decide to send love to a friend or express gratitude for a beautiful moment, you're actively choosing to uplift your spirit. You are, in essence, dialing into the frequency of the vortex. It's about diverting your attention away from the problems, the stresses, the negative emotions, and focusing instead on those things that truly uplift you. Remember, the journey to the vortex is one of joy and positivity. The path to the vortex can be found in silence. Meditation is a powerful tool, a silent vehicle that transports us into the realm of the vortex. It helps us quiet our minds, slow down the rush of thoughts vying for our attention. When our mind is calm, our vibration naturally rises, aligning us with the frequency of the vortex. Esther Hicks, a profound voice in teaching about the vortex, emphasizes that the cessation of resistant thoughts is the key to unlocking our passage into the vortex. Let's consider a simple example. Imagine you're sitting in a quiet room, focusing solely on your breathing. Inhale, exhale, just for a few minutes. As you let go of your thoughts, you can feel your energy shift, your vibration rise, and before long you find yourself at the doorstep of the vortex. So take a moment, breathe, and let the silence guide you to the vortex. Gratitude is the golden key to the vortex. It's an essential tool in aligning your energy with your desires and source energy. Imagine a scale with appreciation and gratitude on one side and negative emotions on the other. As you add more items of gratitude to your side of the scale, it begins to tip in your favor. Your energy shifts, your mood lightens, and you start to resonate with the frequency of the vortex. Consider this. You've had a challenging day, but instead of dwelling on the negatives, you decide to make a list of things you're grateful for. Your comfortable home, a loving family, the food on your table. With each item you write down, you feel your energy lifting, your mood brightening. This is the power of appreciation and gratitude at work. You might also engage in a rampage of appreciation, where you consciously focus on the positive aspects of your life one after another. This practice trains your mind to gravitate towards positivity, thus aligning you with the vortex. With gratitude in your heart, the door to the vortex is wide open. To enter the vortex, we must let go. This phrase, simple in its design, holds profound wisdom. Resistance, you see, is the invisible wall that blocks your path into the vortex. It's the mental friction that arises when your thoughts and emotions are out of alignment with your desires. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you desire a fulfilling relationship, yet you harbor a deep-seated fear of rejection. This fear, this resistance, is what keeps you from aligning with your desire, from stepping into the vortex. How do we overcome this resistance? The first step is awareness. Recognize the negative thoughts and fears that are holding you back. Acknowledge them, but do not dwell on them. Next, we must change our thinking. This might mean transforming our fears into affirmations. Instead of thinking, "I fear rejection," shift your thoughts to, "I am worthy of love." This simple yet powerful change in mindset can propel you towards the vortex. Avoiding negative influences is also crucial in letting go of resistance. If certain environments, people, or situations cause you distress or discomfort, it's okay to distance yourself. Remember, your journey into the vortex is about fostering positivity and alignment. Lastly, allow yourself to relax. Letting go is not about fighting resistance, but rather about releasing it. It's about surrendering to the flow of life, trusting in the universe, and believing in your desires. Let go, and the vortex will welcome you with open arms. Your emotions are your compass to the vortex. Just as a sailor navigates the sea using a compass, your emotions guide you towards or away from the vortex. Picture your emotions as a spectrum with joy, love, and peace on one end, and fear, anger, or doubt on the other. When you're experiencing positive emotions, it's a clear sign that you are aligned with the vortex. You're sailing smoothly, the wind is in your sails, and your destination is within sight. But what happens when you feel negative emotions? It's like encountering a storm at sea. These emotions are signs that you're out of sync with the vortex, drifting away from your desired destination. But fear not, for these emotions are not your enemies. They are signals, nudging you to adjust your course. By paying close attention to your emotions and striving to uplift them, you can navigate your way back into alignment with the vortex. Remember, emotions are more than just feelings. They are your personal guidance system, steering you towards a life of fulfillment and joy. Listen to your emotions. They are your guide into the vortex. Nature and creativity, your allies on the journey to the vortex. Immerse yourself in the spellbinding magic of the natural world, or lose yourself within the boundless realms of your own creativity. These experiences, unfiltered, genuine, and filled with wonder, can lift your vibrations, aligning you with the rhythm of the universe. As the resistance fades, you find yourself flowing with life's currents, not against them. Embrace the beauty of life, and you'll find the vortex within you.